分封做外啊，
So if you remember the picture of the weapon from a little bit earlier, somewhat significant is that it's just under 10,000 pounds. B-29s first make their appearance in the middle of the Second World War.
This airplane was built to replace the 109, the Messerschmitt 109. The Germans have been flying Messerschmitts for years. They used them during the
And this is Northrop's Flying Wing. And this was Jack Northrop's baby. He worked on this. Could not sell it to the Air Force. But if you look at it, study it, you'll see that this is the prototype to the B-2 bomber. Nobody knew it at the time when it was made. Northrop, when Jack Northrop was a very old man, B-2s had not been flown yet, but the Air Force did send people over to show him the plans and let him know that his flying wing finally was coming to something. It was going to be the B-2 bomber. This is Jack Northrop's original flying wing.